Okay, it is 6:04 a.m. and we are headed to Maalaea, I don't know how to say any of these words, some harbor to go on a deluxe snorkeling adventure. We weren't originally supposed to be on the deluxe snorkeling adventure. They actually canceled our budget-friendly travel adventure because not enough people signed up, and they called us yesterday and were like, hey, we're gonna give you a complimentary upgrade to our deluxe version, which includes breakfast and lunch and unlimited drinks and snacks and all the things. So we're headed there right now to go snorkeling at the Molokini Crater and Turtle Town. So we're gonna bring you along our trip and let you know if it's worth snorkeling or if you should just snorkel on the beach. So make sure you watch to the end to get our final answer. Exhausted. Also, we saw better turtles at Molokini. What you eat?
I had to get another piece of banana bread.
How's it taste?
Delicious.
That's kind of terrifying. What are those long, skinny?
They're called cornet fish.
Okay.
So they're kind of like greenish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like super skinny and...
Yeah, and there's some that are really thin, and then others can get like this bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy D, DeRosa, Dunn, Larry.
Alright, here are our thoughts. Here are our thoughts on snorkeling. You go first.
It was worth it because of, what's the crater called?
Molokini Crater.
Molokini Crater was awesome.
Yeah, there were a couple people on the boat who had been snorkeling like all over the world, and they said that's like the best snorkeling that they've seen because there's so many different types of fish. We saw an eel, we saw a shark.
It was a baby shark that was like...
I looked at Landon and I said, "Shark!" and he goes, "What?"
She didn't scream it out loud.
I don't think anybody else saw the shark. Like, I think it was like our own little special shark. It was at the very bottom though.
The eel was really cool.
Yeah, the eel was cool. Got to see a couple of turtles at Turtletown. If you're gonna snorkel here, I wouldn't go to Turtletown because we saw more turtles at Napoli Bay Beach. But the Molokini Crater is worth it. If you're gonna go snorkeling in Maui, make sure you go to the Molokini Crater because it's crazy. I've never seen so many fish like that. I was like in Finding Nemo or in an aquarium tank.
So yeah, if it's your first time, snorkeling is worth it.
Yeah, go to Molokini Crater and then maybe never go again.